There's not many parts on the stock Jeep that I don't like, but one of them has got to be those hood latches. They got to go. Got some new ones. Let's put them on. I'll show you what they look like, how to do it, all that kind of stuff. Let's roll. Today we're going to take the factory hood latches off the Jeep and replace them with these nice aluminum ones here from Top Fire. This will run you about 50 bucks, and the way they look is just amazing compared to what's on there now. So let's take a look at that versus this. We've all got it with the JK years and stuff. Mine's been painted several times over, and it'll turn a nasty looking dull gray on you. Doesn't look good with your Jeep. Then up here, we're gonna go with our replacement and check out the difference. So much beefier, nicer. That all aluminum construction. Looks really good. Starter install should be easy enough. Just a couple nuts are a little hard to get to. Other than that, not much to it. Now when you open your hood, up on the actual part that attaches to the hood itself up there, you're gonna have two little 10mm bolts right there. Go ahead and take those off both sides. Here we go. All right, once that's off there, I can take this off. I can start cleaning that up with a little bit of denatured alcohol. It's all cleaned up. I'll take the new part here and make sure you got that rubber gasket on the back and it lines up with these teeth on the top. And notice that's adjustable as well. So we're gonna tighten it up, but not too much because we'll be adjusting that later. This new nut is a 10mm as well, and there's 3 wrenches they give you. It is the middle one. This one here is a little bit more tricky, but it's not too bad. So this one has a bolt that goes right through there with a 13mm nut on the back. And it's got 2 little guide things that hold it from moving and spinning and stuff. So all you gotta do is come around in here, look in from the back. Can't see it with the camera, but right down in this hole, there's 2 nuts. One is for the fender, you don't want that one. And the one above it is for this. So you can go in right through here and get creative with your socket extensions, and you can get right to that. Coming at it from right here, right behind this power steering reservoir here. So loosen it up. I'm gonna try to get this bolt or this nut out without dropping it. Oh man. There you go. There she is. Now a lot of the kits, they want you to take this off, install that back on their kit, but this kit comes with one. You don't have to worry about that. Here was my, this got me in there. 3/8 ratchet, 6-inch extension, swivel. And then I went with the longer deep socket at first, but that didn't do it. I had to go back to the original one, and that worked perfect. The nut I was talking about goes through the middle, and there's 2 little plastic clips that just hold it from wobbling back and forth. The new kit has all that as well, and you'll notice it is metal, so not as cheap. And you got your new gasket kit, that rubber, which includes that big fat lip to dampen that hood and keep your hood nice and tight on that. Stick this on there is take off this bar in between these so I can access that point right there. There we go. And seat that in. Fits perfect. Now I gotta get my big old hand down in here and get this thing on. I don't know how that's gonna work. Use masking tape to hold that for me so I don't have to worry about it moving. That'll help. That's one side. Now I'm gonna put the other one on. We'll adjust it after that. Do the other one and we're gonna adjust them. But I just wanna show you real quick the stock one, just flopping around there, little puny thing, versus what this thing looks like. how much nicer. Quick tip for you, save you some time. This one's got a little bit more room, so I tried the little 1/4 inch. With the deep well, it didn't fit because it wouldn't rock back enough. Just put a regular one on there, fits right in there. Busted right off. Save you some time. That's it, easy as that. Now, real quick, after doing it, I want to show you a couple things I ran across. One, when you're working on these things, you can't get to them when the hood's closed. If you're trying to hold it up, it causes a lot of problems. If it's all the way up, you gotta have your hands up the whole time. Easiest way to do it, pop the hood like this, take the box they give you, open it a little bit, stick it right there, just let that hook, sit it down right there. Now you can work on it perfect. Only thing I modified with the kit itself is I added some washers right up in here. Added my own 4 washers because those nuts were a little on the small side versus the hole. I didn't want it to work its way into that eventually and loosen up that latch. Let me show you that real quick. I'll show you how they adjust if you need to adjust them. As far as me, I didn't have to adjust them because when you put them in and you just let the latch sit all the way down the screws, that was perfect for me. Oh yeah, world of difference. The beef, brother. If you wanted to adjust them, you would just loosen those, move it up and down, however need be, and you're off and set, ready to go. So let's latch them for the first time. Oh yeah. The big difference. $50. Out of 5 stars, I give that about a 4.5 just because I had to add those washers. Other than that, everything went perfect. Great quality, super beefy, and man, what a difference. When you click those things, it's a chunk. It just chunks you. It's amazing. Gotta get some. Worth it. Top fire hood latch. If you liked it, get it. You need it. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Don't forget to check out my channel. There's all kinds of videos on there. Other stuff to keep you entertained. Stuff to watch. Check it out, check it out. Remember to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace. Peace.